Tired of painstakingly trying to organize and structure data in Excel from your general ledger? Siloed data prevents collaboration across departments and finance teams. It hinders productivity while contributing to errors and version control issues. You need a tool that automates data staging so you can focus on analysis. Introducing FutureView Systems, a finance software provider created by finance professionals for finance professionals. We've been in your shoes, so we know what a pain in the it can be to gather and organize your data manually. Foundation is far more than just another Excel or ETL tool. Leverage direct and rapid integrations with your ERP system and refresh data in real time with a single click. Our transform process reconciles and structures your data for use. No coding, no manipulation, no manual legwork. Rest easy knowing all of your data is secured and encrypted. Free up capacity for meaningful analysis and gain granular insight into your data at a transactional level. Foundation's viewing tool is flexible. Integrate your stage data with your choice of BI tool, Excel, or FP&A platform for analysis. Foundation empowers you with an efficient solution to provide decision makers with accurate reports, forecasts, and scenarios that drive strategic conversations to help grow your business. Unlock your data to control your future. The road to financial maturity starts with FutureView.